I just got my first nature box. Doesn't mark anything as nature box except for on the ship from. But Nature Box a couple weeks ago was doing a free trial of, instead of the original 5 snacks, it only sent 3 snacks and they were free. You just basically paid $5 shipping and handling. So I went ahead and got it, and then it rolls into the regular subscription. So I just got this about 10 minutes ago. The deal is I'm trying to eat healthier to lose weight. But I'm a super picky eater. I am probably the world's most finicky eater. So I'm not going to go to the grocery store and spend $4 or $5 on healthy snacks. So this way I'm spending the money, I'm getting the snacks, and if I don't like them, I just don't buy snacks again. This is what the inside of the box looks like. Card, and it's just 3 full-sized snacks. I do know which snacks they were going to send me because it was in the deal on Facebook. If you're into Nature Box, these kind of snacks, definitely follow them on Facebook, because every now and again they do something like a free taster box. This is just a card thanking me for choosing them, saying every time I refer a friend I get $10 worth of credit. I'll leave a link to get $10 off your first order in my information box. Find my scissors here. The first thing they came was poppy seed snack sticks. I wasn't too sure about these because I've never actually seen a poppy seed, let alone had one. So this is one of those things I've just never been willing to pay the extra money to try, like poppy seed dressing, stuff like that. So I pulled part of my nail off. Darndest effort to try to open anything. It smells interesting. I'm not sure about the smell. Very crunchy. They're okay. Probably not the favorite thing I've ever put in my mouth, but and here's my cat come to say hello to see what we're doing. Say hello, Velcro. Yeah. They're good. I'll eat the whole bag. Not sure I'll buy them again, but, and it's all natural flour, non-GMO, pressed canola oil, sesame seeds, poppy seeds, onion powder, salt, turmeric. I'm not real big on the bread snacks because I'm not a real big bread eater. Just not a real big bread eater. The second item was the PB&J granola. This will only be like my second time having granola. Last couple weeks ago I got some from Love with Food that was, I think, apple flavored. This is peanut butter and jelly. You really can't go wrong with peanut butter and jelly, now can you? I love these bags have the resealable zip, because I'm not going to eat them all at once, because this is a pretty good sized bag. They're 5 ounces. Okay, these I like. Tastes kind of like having a peanut butter and jelly sandwich without the bread. Whoop! Runaway bit. peanut butter granola with dried fruit. And dried fruit seems to be raisins. And the third bag is the apple oat clusters. Just use scissors, because if I try to open them by hand, it'll take me forever, because I am a bit of a clumsy person. These remind me of something I've had before, but I can't think of it right off the top of my head. Just a little cookie. Very chewy. They smell kind of like an apple. I can't quite figure out what they... In the bag, they smell like something I've had, but I can't quite figure it out. Definitely good. Very chewy stuff. And quite sweet. One of the top 3 ingredients is sugar, so this would be your sweet snack. So it's kind of like having sweet, savory, and savory. Definitely worth the money. Looking forward to my first full box. I'd rate this one 4 out of 5, because I wasn't too fond of the poppy snacks, but I'm not a real big bread snack eater. I mean, they're good enough, I'll eat them all, because they were okay, but the other 2 will go first. They will definitely be my first 2, though. Now I am going to let you go, and I'm going to eat on these apple pie clusters for breakfast, because I just woke up about 20 minutes ago. My cat has taken the box. And I'll leave the link in the information below, and if you want, you can go get $10 off your first box to try it out. That will make it $9.95 plus shipping and handling, because this is a subscription box of healthy snacks, usually soy-free, gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO, and various other dietary things that people who are trying to be healthy do. And it's $19.95 a month. They send it to you the same time every month. But with the link, you can get $10 off your first order.